Welcome back, and this video, it's just showing you how to share your work. So once you have your beautiful toy or your beautiful object ready to share, you have a few things that you can do. One option is to send it as a file that could be 3D printed. And to do that, you simply press export, and then it says, even here it says for 3D print. And you can select OBJ, STL, or GLTF. I prefer STL files, so you could export it as an STL, and then you can save that to send to a 3D printer. And there are a few other steps involved to slice it for 3D printing, but if you gave me this file, I could theoretically print it out for you. The other option is to share the project with me. And you can do that by pressing send to, and then it includes a picture, and then there are some communities, and then you can email, create with others by sharing a link to your design. So if you scroll down, you press invite people, and then you press generate new link, and then you press copy link, and then that link, that URL link, can then be shared anywhere on Google Classroom or what have you. So you just basically paste the link, and then you can go to that location, and then that way you can get you can easily have access to the file. So those are the two options. One is to export as an STL. The other is to press send to. You scroll down, you press invite people, copy link, and then you can give me that link if you are handing in the assignment. And if you're just watching this to do it for fun, feel free to post the link of anything that you've made in the video below. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys and what everyone you can come up with here. So share me your work. Thanks for watching.